Do you know pizza sales tend to go up during the Football World Cups? In this video, we'll be covering 3 such themes that tend to do good business during this event. So let's do it. While as already mentioned at the start of the video, pizza is one such business. During 2018 Football World Cup event, media reports suggested that lot of pizzas were ordered at home to munch while watching the favorite team in action. Second theme to do well along with pizzas during the Football World Cup is that of alcohol. If there is pizza, beer must follow. A lot of beer got consumed during these matches. Pubs and restaurants see a higher occupancy and more consumption of this beverage during this time. While no doubt football will be a very closely followed event during this time, it is always smarter to closely follow investments too, like we are doing in this video. And before we move on to the next theme, for more content like this, you can consider subscribing. Now coming back to the study. What was interesting in this study that linked football to business was that these themes were not only true for India alone. The 2018 events of France consumed 21% more snacks and 24% more beer according to the data on website Statista. A pizza chain in the UK has said it has plans to hire 10,000 contract workers for the tournament to keep up with the anticipated rise in demand and delivery. And speaking of delivery, third interesting theme to get a boost during this time is that of delivery apps. During the last tournament, there weren't so many delivery apps. But this time around, it could very well be a bonus for the customers as offers can rain down on them. While we understand not everyone will be comfortable taking direct investment through equities, for them mutual funds provide an alternative instrument. However, how to choose them, you can check out in this video next.